This is part 6 and the final part of the master budget. So here what we are doing is basically coming up with our combined cash budget, both our receipts and our disbursements. And we're asked to do this for 2 months only, just for January and February. And we're also told here that our opening cash balance in January is $50,000. So we started the month with $50,000. Our cash receipts from sales in January, which we've calculated up here, it's 72,800. And then our cash payment for wages, we've calculated that here is 30,300. And our cash payments for our direct materials, we've just done that one, 8,500. And operating expenses, so we'll just go back to the given information. I just need to point out something here. So all other expenses, so that's your rest of your operating expenses, are fixed. They equal 20,000 a month, but included in that 20,000 is 2,000 in depreciation. So remember what we're doing here, we're calculating cash. So in terms of your fixed monthly expenses for operations, it won't be 20,000, that's the expense, but the cash is 18,000. So that's something you have to be aware of when you're doing a cash budget. Any non-cash items have to be excluded. So we enter in here our operating expenses of 18,000. So that gives us total cash payments of 56, and we have our beginning cash plus the receipts less the payments, which will leave you with a balance at the end of the month of $66,000. So now in the month of February, your beginning cash balance is going to be January's ending. So you enter in here $66,000. Then we add in our receipts from our sales, which is 77,800. The next one we're looking for is our cash payment for our wages, which is 33,150. So we'll enter that in here. Our cash payments for our direct materials, 9,500. And finally, our operating expenses, that's our 20,000 less our 2,000 depreciation, it's going to be 18,000. So at the end of the February, you're going to end up with $83,150 cash balance. And that concludes all 6 sections of the master budget.